Here's my new protege counting the money. You feel like you're a baller? Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt him, sorry. He just said, they said making money is fun. What is up, you guys? Today I want to tell you a little bit about how I outsource my business and which business, or should I say businesses, I outsourced. Hope this video is informative for all of you quote-unquote entrepreneurs and future business owners, current business owners, or wannabe business owners. So I do have, as you know, about 10 businesses. One of them is a ATM business. Another one is a candy machine business. I got another one that is a claw machine business and coin pushers. All of those will be discussed in this video, or should I say most of those. So the ATMs, I have about almost $20,000 spread across all ATMs. For 8 of them, if I'm not mistaken, they're all completely mine, and I put all my money, and 3 of them are somebody else's, and I am just the voter. But I wanted to pull my money out and plus save time by outsourcing that to somebody else. Because, you know, I can get $20,000 and buy a new house or whatever else I want, and I don't need to go every single week, once or twice, to refuel the machines. Same with the coin pushers, guys. The coin pushers, they're making me good money, especially a couple of them. If you follow my channel, you know what coin pusher I'm talking about. And I go there twice a week. I do not want to do that. So what I did is I grabbed here a buddy of mine who wanted to help out. I gave him 80 cents per transaction, considering I'm getting about $1 per transaction from when I'm doing the voting. So I paid him a little bit less to begin with. And I haven't given him the candy machines yet, but I will. And the claw machines as well, I haven't given him yet, but I will. My plan for the claw machines is to give him 50% of my profit. Not of the gross, but of the net that I make. The coin pusher so far, he's taken care of. He's became very good at it because I'm actually posting this video about a month after we started doing that. I met him with all the owners so they know who is that guy, and I basically give him 50% of my net again for the coin pushers. So far so good. It will cost me roughly for the coin pushers, I want to say $300 a month for somebody else to do that, but that gives me the opportunity to do anything else with my time, such as invest in properties, look for new properties, and expand my existing business. Also, that gives this person here the opportunity, or not opportunity, but the idea to look for new businesses that he can promote my business in so he can get more work. So all in all, this is the concept of outsourcing your business. I always talk about less and less employees and more automation here on this channel. If you like content like that and topics like that, make sure you follow me. So yeah, all in all, this is why I outsourced all the ATMs, all the coin pushers, and in the future I'm going to outsource my candy machines and my claw machines.